I recently moved into a new apartment and got pretty much everything set up except for art on the wall. And I figured I'd just make some myself, starting with this area right here above the bar cart. I want to make something kind of minimal, thinking black and white with a few accent colors to really pop. I'm going to use this drawing I did last year as my reference, and let's get started. I'm going to start with a rough sketch just to give me a little guide, just to make sure I get the proportions I want correct and the spacing of everything. Now I'm going to start with the little charcoal and just block out the major shapes. Now I'm just going to smudge it up a little bit and smooth things out, and then add another layer of charcoal, smudge and smooth it out. Now I'm just adding the final little details with the charcoal that I want before I move to the next step. Now I'm going to add this clear coat so the charcoal stays in place and doesn't smudge around. I'm not exactly sure what color I'm going to paint with, so I'm just giving myself a lot of options to work with, and we'll see what I end up using. The idea is to just paint a bunch of blocks that I'm gonna cut out later and glue onto the piece. Now I'm just creating a little template for myself for all the accessories I want to add. This way I get the right size and shape. Just need to cut all of these out and then place them on the colors I want. And I'm just going to roughly trace these out. Do that for all the shapes, and then carefully cut everything out. Now I just got to do that for the rest of the shapes. I'm going to turn this green block thing into a handbag, and then I'm going to go through and just trim everything up. Now all I got to do is glue them into place. Gonna add some final details with ink, add my signature, and we're done.